my viewers. The DB is back again in promoting health. The welfare and well-being of my people is paramount and vital, and that is why Lady AB, is passionate about promoting health and well-being of my people. I'm passionate about that. I want to create awareness, pass knowledge to people so that they will be able to know how to keep their health, maintain their health. So today, what will I be talking about? I'll be talking about prostate. What is the meaning of prostate? Prostate is a small gland in men that helps make semen. It's also located just below the bladder in front of the rectum. It wraps around the tube that carries urine and semen out of the body. It tends to grow larger as you get older. Then I'll be talking about what have researchers said about these prostates. Researchers have come up in England to say that more than 47,000 men are diagnosed with prostate cancer every year in England. More than 10,000 men die from prostate cancer every year in England. Can you imagine the amount of these? And then that is why I want to create this awareness for you to know the symptoms, things to look at, to find out if you have got prostate cancer or not, or have prostate problems. So I will be saying the symptoms today so that you can watch yourself. If you have any symptoms like that, please consult your GP or your doctor or your nurse quickly so that they can check you out. So what are the causes of the prostate problem? Some researchers have said there is unknown, nobody knows, but there is a little bit some associated things you can think that actually may be the problem, such as changes in men hormones and levels, in changes you can see in men hormone levels. And it comes in older men when we are getting older. And again, the aging, as we are getting older, all these things can be changing in our hormone levels. And again, inflammations and fibrosis, in our body. And then some researchers, like I said, have said they don't know what is causing this. So that is why I need to give you the tips, the symptoms you can be experiencing for you to go quick and check. So what can actually, can prostate be serious? Of course, it can be serious. How do you know that it can be serious? When you have an enlarged prostate, it can cause symptoms that may bother you, such as blocking the flow of the urine out of the bladder. It can also cause bladder urinary tract infection or kidney problems. So now, what are the symptoms, the signs for you to know if you are having problems of prostate? So look at all these symptoms I'm gonna give. If you have or experience these symptoms, it might be actually related to other illnesses, but look at for these ones I'm talking about. It can be difficulty when you are starting to pass urine, or you are having difficulties starting to urinate, or we call it urination or passing urine. So it can be weak or interrupted flow of urine. When you're passing urine, you have interruptions, it stops and goes and stops and start again. So those are the interruptions. You can have trouble in emptying your bladder, completely. Those are the things. When you wee, you don't empty, you feel like again you want to go back again to toilets. Then the pain or burning sensation when you are passing urine or urinating. So these are the problems. So again, pain in the back. When you feel or experience pain in the back, hips or pelvic areas that does not go away. When I mean does not, continuous pain in those pelvics and your back. And again, pain, especially when men are during the time of ejaculation. So these are the things, the pain when men are ejaculating. So these are the things you have to find out, why. So again, I will say these are the symptoms. So it's really important we look after ourselves. And again, I will advise again in terms of the easiest way and the fastest way to shrink and enlarge prostate. Again, by exercise, I always keep talking about exercise. Exercise has a very, very, very good effects in our body. When you do exercise, honestly, some of the illnesses you might undergo might minimize. So again, drink less at night. Don't drink anything for an hour or two before bedtime. Then limit caffeine. I always say this, caffeine honestly is very dangerous for us. I have said this even during the time I was talking about blood pressure and all the rest. So caffeine is not good. So let's minimize it. Alcohol. Every time I keep talking about alcohol and caffeine, all those are very dangerous for health for us. Then they can cause the body to make more urine, because all these things, when you have caffeine or alcohol, it will make you to pass more urine, and then it gives you push more harder in your bladder when you have prostate. And again, it can cause cause the body to make more urine, irritates the bladder, and then makes symptoms more worse. Because when your bladder is being irritated, it can really make it more worse for men, especially when urinating. And then watch what you eat. I always talk about healthy eating. Honestly, I love healthy eating. Watch what you eat. Lose weight. If you are obese, lose weight. Try to lose weight. Do exercises. Keep active. These are really, really good things, in order to actually fast way to shrink and enlarge prostate. So please, it is very, very important for the men. I'm talking about men. It is very important we keep healthy and then try to go through all these symptoms. So please, if you experience all these symptoms I've mentioned, please try to seek help with your doctor, with your GP. And if you are bothered, please try to contact Lady AB. I'm here to support, and that is why I always say on the platform, the welfare of my people, the well-being of my people is very paramount. Because if you are feeling good inside, you will feel good outside. So the health of my people is very important. Please, I'm trying to pass knowledge. Knowledge is power. Please, let's do the right thing. I always say this, the health is very, very important, and money cannot buy good health. No matter how much you have, it cannot buy good health. So that's why I'm educating, I'm transferring knowledge, because it's power. Knowledge is power. So my fellow people, my viewers, my lovely viewers, please, if you have any issues regarding prostate, or you want to ask questions, please contact me. I'm available to support in any way in my own limitations. So, but as of now, this is my role to make sure the creating awareness and passing knowledge is transferred to people. So, and that is what the DB is doing. So remain tuned, stay tuned, do the right thing. Please remember to seek help, seek advice, seek medical advice from your GP and your doctor with all these things I've mentioned. Thank you. Remain tuned, and then I will see you guys next week for more hair promotion. Thank you. Bye for now. Lady AB loves to create health, create awareness, to do hair promotion in order to support my people. I support my people, support everyone that needs help. Thank you all. Remain blessed. Bye. Lady AB.